Welcome to Photo Sessions. In this episode, we're shooting with Hannah, represented by Wilhelmina Models. We're shooting in my photo studio, which is also my home studio, which is also my home. I'm using a backdrop that is simply DIY. I'm using a shower curtain as the background and some quotes right underneath, just giving some soft texture and soft color for this specific, somewhat vintage look that we are shooting with Hannah. We decided to go with a soft look. What I did is a DIY filter, a $1 stocking simply from a Walgreens over an expensive Fuji lens. The results are simply immaculate. For the second look, we decided to shoot on a bed, doing a cliche, sexy schoolgirl look, but of course taking it to another level with Hannah, who is an amazing model. As you can see the results with these images right here. I wanted to make sure that all three looks were timeless, so that with this vintage style photo session, the images were just right. For this third look, we remained on the same location, giving Hannah a tan tank top that complemented her skin beautifully. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Until later, folks, keep shooting.